Estate planning, what is it? Do I really need it? If you have a home, bank accounts, a retirement plan, or life insurance, you have an estate. And if you don't create a plan for it, the government will. You've worked hard to build your net worth and want to protect that nest egg. Your financial future, your children's future, and your legacy all depend on how well you protect the estate that you are building. Without comprehensive estate planning documents, it's likely you are putting your family's future at risk. If you are like most Americans, your days are already filled to the brim with work, kids or grandkids with a ton of activities, and maybe a little time squeezed in for some fun. Who wants to take time away from work, family, or fun to drive to some attorney's fancy office, pay by the minute to discuss your private family and financial details, death, or possible disability, wait for weeks or months, then wade through a ton of mystifying paperwork? How about do it yourself? The problem with most self-help estate planning sites are cookie-cutter documents combined with a lack of meaningful assistance. You just don't know what you don't know. Enter IEDS Online. Interactive Estate Document Systems eliminates the dread, headaches, and high cost of comprehensive estate planning. Our dynamic, smart technology is written and used by top estate planning attorneys in their own offices and uses a secure web-based portal. Now, in the privacy of your own home, you can create affordable, personalized, state-specific estate planning documents that previously would have cost thousands of dollars. Our questionnaire is easy to complete, yet dynamic, with helpful explanations of the many choices available. The guided interactive online interview can be started, then paused and completed later when convenient. Take as much time as you like and get your questions answered, all on your schedule. Once completed, your documents can be accessed anytime and updated whenever life changes occur. Without written documents, it doesn't matter what you may have wanted or talked about, and there is no way to designate who will raise and care for your minor children, protect your family's inheritance, and decide how and when your children can access the money you have left for them, provide for who will run your business, decide what will happen to your family home, decide who will make your medical decisions if you are unable to, decide how and when your heirs will receive your assets. With IEDS, you will create your personalized living trust and a pour-over will, power of attorney, advanced healthcare directive and living will, HIPAA waiver, digital assets inventory, and other critical documents and checklists to put your plans in place affordably. Don't let the government make decisions about your inheritance, your life's work, or your medical decisions. Guarantee who gets your most valuable things and guarantee that your wishes are fulfilled. Take charge of your future today by creating your comprehensive estate plan with the simplicity, convenience, and affordability of IEDS.